Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance of your Weston home. Whether you're upgrading old windows or adding new ones to modernize your living space, proper installation is absolutely essential. While DIY home projects are becoming more popular, window installation is one task where mistakes can be costly, both in terms of comfort and long-term home maintenance. For Weston homeowners, avoiding installation errors is especially important. The region experiences everything from humid summers to freezing winters, meaning windows must be installed securely and sealed properly to withstand seasonal changes. Here are the most common window installation mistakes to watch out for and why professional installation is often the best choice. Incorrect measurements. Accurate measurements are the foundation of a successful window installation. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can create significant issues. Common mistakes include measuring only once instead of multiple times, not accounting for uneven frames, or settling in older Weston homes ordering standard-sized windows for non-standard openings. When your measurements are even slightly inaccurate, the window may not sit properly, leading to gaps, air leaks, or a window that simply won't fit. Professionals use precise tools and measurement techniques to ensure a perfect fit every time. Poor sealing and insulation. Sealants and insulation play a major role in keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Improper sealing is one of the leading causes of drafty windows. Mistakes often include using the wrong type of caulk or foam, under-insulating or over-insulating the frame, skipping vapor barriers, neglecting gaps and seams. In Weston's climate, where winter chills and summer humidity can be extreme, proper sealing is essential to prevent moisture intrusion, heat loss, and rising energy bills. A poorly sealed window can also lead to condensation issues, which cause mold and damage over time. Incorrect window leveling. A window must be perfectly level and square to operate properly. Improper alignment can cause difficulty opening and closing, uneven pressure on the frame, mechanical failures, premature wear and tear. Older homes in Weston often experience frame shifting or settling, making alignment even more challenging for an inexperienced installer. Professionals know how to adjust for these conditions and ensure proper balance. Choosing the wrong materials. Not all windows and installation materials are appropriate for every home. Some homeowners choose materials based on price rather than durability or performance. Examples of common errors: using fasteners that corrode in humid conditions, selecting windows without proper energy ratings for the region, installing the wrong flashing materials for moisture-prone areas. Weston's climate requires windows that can withstand both moisture and temperature swings, making material selection a critical step. Ignoring water management best practices. One of the biggest threats to a home is water infiltration. Many DIYers don't properly install flashing, which directs water away from the window opening. Without proper water management, you risk mold growth, rotten wood framing, wall damage, expensive repairs. Professional installers follow tested water management practices to ensure your home remains protected during heavy rains and humid seasons. Not following manufacturer guidelines. Manufacturers include detailed installation instructions to ensure windows perform as designed. When homeowners skip steps or overlook guidelines, they often void warranties and reduce the window's expected lifespan. Professionals stay up to date with manufacturer requirements, meaning your warranty stays intact and your windows perform as promised. Underestimating the complexity of the job. Window installation is more than placing a window into an opening. It requires carpentry skills, weatherproofing knowledge, and precise workmanship. Homeowners who underestimate the complexity often face project delays, costly mistakes, safety risks, structural issues. The investment in professional installation typically costs less than fixing avoidable errors later on. Final thoughts. For Weston homeowners, avoiding common window installation mistakes is key to protecting your home, improving energy efficiency, and ensuring long-lasting performance. While DIY installation may seem appealing, the risks often outweigh the savings. especially in a climate that demands durable, well-sealed windows. By choosing professional installation, you guarantee accurate measurements, proper sealing, and expert craftsmanship that helps your windows perform beautifully for years to come. If you want peace of mind and a more comfortable home, letting experts handle your next window project is the smartest decision.